corrected man. That is the purpose of prison is now custody, reform, rehabilitate, and reintegrate into the society. Reintegrate into society. That is the purpose. So, the National Human Rights Commission, the prisoners are sent to prison as punishment, not for punishment. Prisoners are sent to prison as punishment, for not for punishment. That is, the imprisonment itself is a punishment, not to aggravate the punishment. That is a new system. The profound statement defines the spirit of our correctional administration. It is prisoners are